Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable video downloads mode on the TikTok app. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, tap on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Privacy option and tap on it. Step 6. Now scroll to find the Downloads option and tap on it. Step 7. Next, find the Video Downloads option. This is turned on. Final step. For the last and most important step, tap on the Video Downloads option to turn it off instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.